Hello, today I'm going to show you how to mount a tire with a wheel clamp tire changer. Okay, let's lock the rim on the machine's table. Now it's locked there, and then it's time to apply the tire loop. Loop the tire on both sides and all the way around. Library before mounting any tire. This is important. Do this on the inside of the rim and loop the sides of the tires itself. Nice and easy. Let's go. Position for the tire to mount. Move the tire so that the bead passes below the front section of the mounting head and is brought up against the edge of the rear section of the mounting head. Keep the tire bead pressed down into the wheel rim channel with your hand. The mount and demounting head will force the bead of the tire under the lip of the rim. Oh, there it is. Once the bead of the tire is under the demounting head, place a system arm on the tire at this position, as you can see. Yeah, there it is. And then keep the tire bead pressed down into the wheel rim channel. If your machine is not equipped with an assist arm, use your hands to exert pressure, but be careful of this. There it is, job's done, nearly. Attach the inflation hose to the valve stem without the valve core installed. Ensure that the rim is not clamped to the table. That is important. Press all the way down on the air inflation pedal to initiate the bead blaster while pulling up on the tire to hold the top and the bottom bead in place. Jaws should be in position and rim should still not be clamped. Air flows through the hose when the inflation pedal is slightly depressed and keeps air following after the bed is seated. Once the tire is inflated, remove the pressure hose and unclamp everything. Inflate the tire on only to the recommended air pressure. That it is, easy going as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.